We'll guide you through how to install shaders in Minecraft. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Shaders can really change how Minecraft looks, so let's go and get started. First of all, go and quit Minecraft, and then what you need to do is go and open up a web browser. In this case, I'm using Google Chrome, but you can use whatever you want. To go and run shaders, we need to go and get something called Optifine. Optifine is an optimization tool for Minecraft, but also allows you to run shaders. So what you want to do is go and search for it like so, and then come to optifine.net. You can then go to the top and click on downloads. So you've got these different versions here. Personally, I like to go and get a released version, as these just have preview versions, essentially betas. So come over to the right here and click on the download button. You'll be brought to an ad wall. Just remember, this is an ad wall, so if you see a download button, it's for the ad. To download Optifine, you need to click on the skip button in the top right, and you can then click on download like so. So it's now finished downloading, but just before we get any further, a big shout out to the sponsors video, Apex Hosting. They're my go-to place for Minecraft servers. They've got so many awesome features like one-click install mod packs, DDoS protection, 24/7 servers and support, and many other features as well. If you're interested, I'll go and put a link down below in the pinned comment and the description. At the moment, you can get 25% off your first invoice as well, so go and check them out. A big thank you to them for sponsoring this video. To continue with the guide though, now that we've got Optifine, we need to go and get a shader pack. You may already have a shader pack in mind that you want, but if you don't, come to a website called CurseForge. You can then select Minecraft, select categories, and you can select shaders. You can scroll through here and see different shaders. I want to go and get Silders, so I'll go and click here, and I'll then go and click on files. There'll be quite a few to choose from here, but the main differences are the versions and then sort of the extremity of it. So you've got light all the way to extreme, and that will use up more computer power the more extreme it is. So in this case, I like to go for medium. So I'll click on the three dots to the right and click on download file. Just like that, it's now gone and downloaded. And so then what you can do is go and open up your file explorer, drag what you downloaded onto your desktop. So first of all, we need to go and install Optifine. So you need to go and double click on it like so. If it doesn't go and open up, maybe something else does or nothing happens, you need to go and get Java. So come back to your web browser and search for it just like so and come to java.com. Download it and install it like any other app. Then all you need to do is right click on Optifine, hover over open with, click on choose another app, then select Java and click on always, and it should then work. If it still doesn't, you may need to do something called a jar fix, which relinks jar and Java files. Once this is open, click install. You may think nothing's happening, but it is installing and you'll get the pop-up. Now go and open up the Minecraft launcher. Come over to the left of the play button and make sure you select Optifine and then click play. Once Minecraft opens, go and click on options. Then what you need to do is click on video settings and you'll know Optifine is installed, so it will say it in the bottom left, and you'll also have the shaders button. Click there. Now I've got quite a few shaders here already as I've gone and installed them before. But all you need to do is click on shaders folder in the bottom left and the folder will open up. So here they are on my desktop. Then all you need to do is click, hold and drag them in like so. And they'll then go and appear in this list here. So I've selected them, I'll press done, and now let's get into a world. And so here we are, and as you can see, the shaders look super cool.